Hi Sagittarius, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. So we are here to discuss what has September in store for you. So how will your September month be? And this is for all the Sagittarians who are born between November 22 to December 21. Welcome. Let me see. Let me meditate a bit. Tarot, please tell me your messages for the month of September in regards to the Sagittarians. I have a lot of Sagittarian friends. Alright, let me see. Okay, perfect. Hmm. Okay. Sagittarians, this month will be sweet, sour, bitter, everything for you. Okay. Uh, This month gives you a lot of experiences which were long due in your karma also. So let me start with the money. So I know everyone is in search of money. We all are humans, including me. But see to it that you're not in search of money in the wrong way. You might invest in wrong schemes. You might invest in, you might trust wrong people, and even the next card shows that people around are also not very good. So you have to be very, very, very cautious about what you're doing. And the best thing is, if you don't know what to do, just hang on. Just stay there. Just stay still and do not take any kind of decisions. Here you might take wrong decisions relating to money, especially. So beware. And someone who's very young, someone who's very young might prove very bad for you. Someone is in the age group of say 20 to 40, someone very young. Uh, you also have a thief card, which we call in tarot. Okay. Uh, it also means that someone might be intending to take away your credit. So something that you have written, something that you have conceived, the person might take away from you and put his or her own name. This might happen, so beware. Even the relations right now, and again I'm saying this is only for the month of September we are talking about. This is not for your whole life. So if even if you take care of these things in this month, there'll be a lot of good things coming, because then October will come and we'll be doing readings again in October with me. And I always say push this month at least. The way this is like a GPS signal for me. We already know what's going to happen, and they are telling us go right, go left. So for me, tarot is a very advisory, being, and that is why I really love tarot. So, people around right now are not with great intentions. And take care of your purses, take care of your belongings. You might lose things somewhere, or thief card. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. Uh, hmm. Stolen. All right. Your ideas might get stolen, or your things and belongings might get stolen. Don't worry at all. We know this right now, right here. We know this before September itself. So take care. Simple as that. God will never give you that experience if you already learn it. So when you already learn how it feels, and how to value your belongings and how to value your stuff. So if you have written any script, or if you have written any idea or conceived any idea, please copyright it right now. So these are small things that you can do. They are not very expensive also, right? Yeah. Money condition. Again, I told you that if these things come true, then your money condition will not be bad, but you will feel really bad about whatever money decisions that you took, and you'll be very sad about it. All right. So you'll thank me later that I did not make you sad. I already told you what is going to happen, and you took a lot of care, and your sadness never made it to you. So if you're aware, if you're secure, if you think and act, this sadness will not come. And even if the sadness comes, I always say that there are good cups behind you, just turn. Yeah, all right. And yeah, career seems good. Career seems good, especially for people who are in education field. Your career seems very good. Into all the logical fields, analysis field, research field, your career is very, very, very good. No, nothing is going wrong in your career right now. And you might get a lot of help. You might get help from masculine energies, female who are masculine also, and males who are male masculine also. So any masculine energy above the age of 70, you will get a lot of help from them. So if any kind of such thing happens, you please choose a person who's above 70 and take help from that person, masculine energy. All right. Yeah, so career seems fine. It doesn't seem any problem. If at all anything tumbles down, it will be only due to money, because you just took an impulsive decision and you trusted people whom you shouldn't have trusted. So that's the story for September. Health is all good. Just you might feel a little bit of mood swings. Okay, today you'll feel good, tomorrow you'll feel down and better, and then not good. So it's okay. Again, you'll get a lot. I think you can, use crystalline waters. So you can take water like a bottle, any bottle that you drink your water. See, these are my crystals in my bottle. So take a clear quartz crystal, like this is a clear quartz. So this is a clear quartz, sphatic. All right, but you take a tumble. No, this is a proper pyramid. You take a tumble, put it in your water, and drink it for clarity. So if you have clarity in this month, it will really be good for you, so that you clearly know who are these people whom you should be not trusting, who are the people whom you should be trusting, who is that person who will give you help. So that clarity will definitely come in this month. Travel is okay. Travel seems fine. You will get good company. You will get good advice. So I won't say that do not travel, but travel is fine. Overall, the only thing that you need to do right now is don't trust people very easily, and prevention is better than cure. Okay, you could do one thing, like, because I had this pyramid right now in hand, I didn't know that such cards will come, but I generally had it besides. So you could take your manual photograph and put this pyramid on it for clarity. So it will start giving you good clarity, nice clarity, and even you can use it as a crystalline water. It also detoxifies all the toxins in your body. So this is my tip for you all. You get in any healing center, you get it, or I also have it. If you want, you can contact me. Not an issue. So, overall good, as I said, sweet, sour, bitter, all kind of experiences. Overall, it is good for you Sagittarians. And I'll see you soon. If you know other Sagittarians, please share this and subscribe to the channel, because every month I'll be putting these advices, these messages, however I can, for each and every zodiac sign. And I hope you really like it and it really helps you. And comment if you feel like, and anytime you need a consultation directly with me, you can contact me. So I see you soon. Thank you so much.